Hey everyone, this is Leland with Ripboard Training Consulting back at you with another application. Today we're going to look at LinkedIn and how to export contacts or information out of LinkedIn. It's a real simple process, but the cool thing is that you can get it onto your own computer and get it into some sort other application for analytics or to use in Mailmerge or whatnot. And here's the two different types. This is the two I did. I did a basic one here on the right, and that's a full featured. You can see it has from receipts to all these things that you've done in LinkedIn. And over here, just a simple one. I just wanted contacts and connections. The difference between connections and contacts is connections are people that you have on a first level basis within LinkedIn, and the contacts are everybody that you maybe have imported in from, such as your Outlook or your Google or other sources of databases of contacts. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look on how to do that step by step. All right, to start getting to your contacts to download, you need to log into LinkedIn, as I've done here, and then you're going to look at My Network, which is on the toolbar right next to the right of Home. Then you're going to see over here on the left, Manage My Network. You're going to click on Connections. And after that pulls up, you're going to come over here, and it's not really easy to see, but Manage Synced and Imported Contacts. And there you go. And then Export Contacts. It doesn't make it very vivid to the eye which direction to take, but I'm going to click on that. And then here you can select what it is you want to download. You can get that whole list that I showed you. It was on the left when I did say the right, but it was on the left. Or you can do something specific if you want. And let's just say you're going to do your connections. That's what I'd recommend. Those are the ones that you're connected to within LinkedIn. You can do your contacts too, but you don't need to. But then just go ahead and create Request and Archive, and notice it says here it'll be here in about 10 minutes. And once you've done that, it'll send you an email in about 10 minutes that your contact file is ready to be downloaded, and they'll send you a link, and then you can go ahead and do that. And we'll follow that process here in about 10 minutes. Let's just wait. Just joking. I'll pause it, and then we'll follow up in just a minute. Okay, received the email, and here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click the link. It takes you right to a page where it says Download to Archive. And mine allows me to place it anywhere I want to. I'm going to go ahead and just put it on my desktop for simplicity. And then I'm going to open up the folder. And there it is right there. And there's my connections, and it's a comma separated value, and it's going to come up conveniently in Excel just by double clicking it. And there we go. There are all your contacts. And now you can put them in analytics. You can bring them into Outlook for Mailmerge, or right into Word for Mailmerge if you want. But anyway, that's as quick and easy as it is. I sure appreciate you being here, and I hope I have done a decent job of helping you with your understanding of the process of how to export LinkedIn contacts. One of my next videos, I'll go through the process of how to clean up your contacts using Excel and how to import them into Outlook. We'll also look at how to create an email mail merge so that you can directly send them to your connections. As always, I'm not compensated by LinkedIn or any other vendor to create the videos. These are things I've done and figure you may want to know them or do as well. I appreciate your time and willingness to be here. I look forward to your feedback. Till next time, I'll see you.